Find features that distinguish it from other brands for KUMORE OBD2 scanner, car diagnostic tool, check engine light, car code reader. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Works with 98% gas cars since 1996. The M519 OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool is a professional car diagnostic tool compatible with most vehicles in the US, 1996 plus, EU, 2002 plus, and Asia, 2008 plus. Simply plug into the 16-pin OBD2 port, check under the dashboard, to read engine codes. Not for EVs/hybrids. Fast and accurate engine code reader. The engine analyzer instantly scan check engine light codes, P0, P1, P2, and more, view live data, RPM, fuel trim, coolant temp, and clear it after repairs. No battery needed, powers via your car's OBD2 port. DIY friendly and saves mechanic costs. Stop overpaying for diagnostics. This OBD2 car scanner diagnostic tool helps you troubleshoot car issues like a PROD code P0420, catalytic converter, P0171, lean fuel, P0300, misfire, and more. I/M readiness and 40,000 plus DTC library. Quickly check I/M readiness for states like CA, NY, TX before your inspection. This vehicle scanner diagnostic tool is equipped with a built-in 40,000 plus trouble code library to provide instant code definitions so you know exactly what the problem is and how to fix it. User-friendly design. The vehicle diagnostic scanner boasts a 2.8-inch color screen. Unlike bulky scanners, the M519 is plug-and-play, no setup, apps, or Wi-Fi. Perfect for quick diagnostics at home or on the road. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.